Good day. Today we're going to learn how to use the MainView SRM filter dialogues using the complex filter members. Now I have created a custom view that puts all the filter members into a single view, and I call that view called filters. So I have all my filter members here. There's SMFE 14, SMFE 15. These are for dataset backups and dataset backup versions, SMFE 15, which is and 17, which is for the migration control data sets, SMFT 31, which is for tape filtering, and the SMF 21, which is for dataset filtering. I have several here that are created, and I'm just going to pick this one right here, SMFW21 MS. So let's edit this guy. And we start off, so it's set up with set mode equals act, just like our MainView SRM function members, so our F list members. And it uses exclude and includes, so the same types of dialogues in terms of including and excluding resources. So in this particular example, we have excluded a couple of storage groups. So anything that starts with D2, anything that starts with DB and the EAV1 storage group. And we've included a series of management classes. The idea behind these complex filters is I would not be able to get all of this data into one filter dialog. So I build the query language here with excludes and includes to get all of my resources defined. This is basically to check certain management classes, the number of days unreferenced, and looking for any data sets greater than tracks allocated of 15, so anything greater than one cylinder. The idea of this particular filter is to get all of the data sets that should have migrated but have not. So should have migrated off of primary disk, should have gone to at least ML1 or ML2, but have not. So once I've built this query, I save it and I go to my filter dialog. So I go to the Easy DSA, which is my dataset analysis view, dataset filtering. Now you see, I only have a certain number of space available to enter management classes, certain number of data sets, some other fields. So I'm somewhat limited when I want to do really, really long filters. So I'm going to scroll down, and down at the bottom of the page, I have my SMFW21 member suffix. If I don't remember the name of the suffix, I can put a question mark in here and hit enter, hit P3 to process it, and it'll pull up a list of all the SMFW21 members. And if I did put in a description, I would get the description in here, so I would know which one I would be looking for. All right, so we're going to go down. We're going to go and select the MS, which is this one. I did not have a description in it, but that's all right. We'll put an S in it because this is the one we want to execute. PF3 brings us back to the dialog, and let's scroll down, and the MS suffix is supplied in our option. And we hit PF3, and it's going to produce a list of data sets. So these are data sets, and there's 184 data sets that should have migrated off of primary disk, but have not for some reason. So that's a quick way to build a complex filter to produce data. The filtering criteria would work the same way for the MCDS filter dialogues, the BCDS filter dialogues, and the tape filter dialogues. Thank you very much.